What's good, rap artists? This is your man Jimmy Conway from InstantClassicProductions.com. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why it's important that you need high quality artwork for your social media accounts. Stay tuned. My 2 cents. Alright, I'm back. In this video, I'm going to let you know why it's important that you have good looking artwork for your social media account. It's basically important, one, because that's the first thing that people see when they come to your social media account, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Tumblr, whatever you have. Alright, so like if you have a bright, engaging picture, your eyes are going to be more focused and want to stay there for that factor, okay? There's a lot of great things you could use out there to create great looking artwork. I know a lot of people use Photoshop, and I know Photoshop's a lot of money, but you don't have to use Photoshop. There's a lot of great free tools out there. The one free tool that I used to use back in the day, and I still use it a little bit now, is called GIMP, G-I-M-P. You'd have to get that from on your computer on GIMP.org. All right, check that out when you get a chance. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out GIMP.org. And it's very similar to Photoshop. It's like a free version of Photoshop that anyone can use. So if you're looking to create high quality photos, very similar to Photoshop, with the same kind of tools like Photoshop has, I would recommend you go to GIMP.org, okay? Or GIMP.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. I haven't been there in a long time. There's also some, the other thing is that there are more free tools you can use on your tablet or your phone to create great looking artwork. One of the ones I used to use for my my Android is called Pixel Lab. Okay, Pixel Lab is it's an awesome tool for creating artwork. If you want to create like mixtape covers, things like that, or create posts that have words on them, words on a different kind of backgrounds, you can create that in Pixel Lab. But yeah, it's definitely, that's probably the best one to use if you want to create artwork for like, if you want to start trying to make your own covers, your own CD covers, or your own, artwork for your own music, I would start with Pixel Lab if you have a Android, okay? I tried to look it up on the iPhone. I didn't see it on the iPhone, so I had to find an alternative. A free alternative to Pixel Lab on the iPhone that I use is called Over. And it's spelled just like it sounds, O-V-E-R. It's very similar to Pixel Lab, just on the iPhone and iPad. The only thing about Over app though is that I see that they make you, they try to charge you for a lot of stuff that they give you free in Pixel Lab. So that's the only reason why I kept my Android here. That's why I kept my Android. I didn't give it up yet, because there are certain apps on there that I can't get on the iPhone that I'm using to record this video with. Okay, so there you go. Those are just a few tips that you can take with you. There's a bunch of free apps you can use between Over on the iPhone and Pixel Lab on the Android, okay? But definitely make sure you have high quality artwork. That's the first thing that makes people stay to your social media accounts, and that's what people see, and that's what keeps people engaged and keep coming back for more content. You keep coming up with great pictures, you're likely to have more people coming back. And if you're looking for like great pictures, like free stock photos, you can go like there's a website called, I think it's called Shutterstock. Shutterstock, I think it's called. They have great quality photos that you can use in your post. There's another site called Pixabay.com where you can get free photos and use them on your social media accounts. They come in different sizes. You can download them at whatever size you like. All right. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, please like, please comment, please subscribe, please click the notification bell, and I thank you kindly for sticking through the video. Stay tuned. I have more videos coming with more personal tips of things that I use, and you have a blessed day. This is your man Jimmy Conway. My tips for having great artwork on your social media accounts. This is Jimmy Conway, InstantClassicProductions.com. Peace out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates.